Hi, welcome back to Creative Digital Designs. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you, I'm doing a font series to be able to find hidden fonts in Canva that you can use to enhance your designs and your digital products that you're selling online. So this video is going to be about finding the Super Mario font. And so this is popular. You can use this font to create birthday invitations, to make birthday flyers, or just flyers in general to be able to sell on Etsy or your website. So this is an example of a graphic that I created in Canva and around the theme of Super Mario, and you can create your own. All of these elements are from Canva except for this picture. I got this picture somewhere else. But everything else, these elements are from Canva. So we're going to go over here. And so what you're going to want to do is go and click on elements. And so you're going to go ahead and type in Super Mario font here. And you're going to go ahead and look through the graphics, and it's going to give you different ones that you can click through. And this is the one that I use. So you're going to go ahead and hit view collection. And once again, you're going to copy the set. So this is a different set than this one over here. So you can get the one that you like best. This is the one that I used to create this Super Mario words right here. And so I'm going to go ahead and paste this set. So you can use this set as well. And as you can see here, you can change the color. So if you wanted to do that, you can do that as well to match the theme of whatever graphic that you are creating. Okay, that is all for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment down below what kind of other content you want me to create. Please subscribe. I will be doing a multiple series. And once I reach 300 subscribers, I will be giving away a Canva template to one of my subscribers. So please subscribe. And as I reach each milestone, I'll be giving out Canva templates that you can be able to use. You can sell these yourself. I just want to show support to the people who support me. And I appreciate you watching all the way to the end. If you watched this all the way to the end, please comment in down below and let me know what you want me to create next. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Oh, also, before I go, I do want to say also, if you want me to create a Super Mario design or flyer, please let me know below and I'll do a step-by-step as well on that. Okay, bye-bye.